Hey YouTube, Josh here, and I just arrived at K10C/K2, which had a downpour. I'm here for the Top Gun Challenge off-roading competition. Park is already full with some amazing competitors. Hopefully the weather clears up. It's supposed to be a really nice day tomorrow, so can't wait to see what happens. And I cannot wait for tomorrow. Tires are completely muddy. This is not great rock crawling weather, but it is good beer and cigar weather. The day started out pretty crappy. Rain went away, temperature warmed up a little bit, and we are out here in perfect temperatures. A little bit of sun. The dawn is coming, or I should say sunset is coming, and we are having a blast. After the rain finally let up, we had an opportunity to go out and do some trails. Due to the amount of mud and how wet the rocks were, we decided not to do anything too hard. next day, the rain had gone away. We decided to be a little more daring and try some harder trails.
Damn.
Come on, you're next.
I know. I'm like,
This trail beat the buggies more than any other trail. After some morning wheeling, we decided to go check out some of the Top Gun challenge. The course was very slippery and the buggies had a really hard time just getting up the obstacles.
It'll be just like new.
After watching for a short amount of time, we decided to go out and wheel some more. While on the trail, we met up with a guy from Mexico City. He had a beautiful buggy, it was brand new. We called it the Cadillac because it was so bling. Unfortunately, he tried a different line on Triple D and it didn't work out for him. Luckily, he wasn't injured and we were able to recover the buggy.
damn. That's what happened to Jay. Jay did it on this same trail, the same exact obstacle.
Yeah. Still gonna do it right out of here.
After driving around for a while, Bruce decided he wanted to try one of the hardest obstacles at K2, King Arthur. The video does not do this justice. It is a straight up wall climb. Bruce has guts of steel, no doubt. Although he almost got up, he almost rolled over also. I don't know how he does it without being scared. Nobody else was feeling this obstacle today, so we all passed. decided to go down this huge drop. At the end of the day, we decided to ride off into the sunset. The mud made things more challenging, but we still had a great time. Stay tuned for more off-road goodness. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll have more content coming soon.